Good day guys. So in today's tutorial we'll be looking at how to create video, how to blur our effects and how to blur things. So a lot of persons have been asking me how will I be able to blur. Most times we've been using PSCC all this while, and some persons were not able to get the PSCC because of the version of their phone. So in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to blur using Pixellab. So if you don't have this app in your phone, just go to your Play Store and download it. It's called Pixellab. So randomly I will just select a video, then we'll blur this video, we'll blur this picture. So let me just select this picture. So for this picture I've cropped the background. I've cropped the background. So what you just do is to crop the background first, import it. If it's a background that you want to blur, then you can also just leave the background, but now it's just an object. So now you go to your effects. The video will not be long. Now your effects, now you see recent, sample, FX, B and W. This B and W simply means black and white. You see blur, you see color, you see AI, artistic, magic, paper. So now I tap on blur, then I tap on this is none, then this is blur. Are you seeing? Then now tap on that cycle again to reduce the intensity of your blur. You can increase it, you can reduce it depending on what you need and depending on how you want the image to be like. Then we have we have different type of blur. We have the vocal zoom. So now at this moment you want to select where you want to be blurry. Are you seeing? Vocal, you want to select where you want to be blurry. Can you see the energy that this thing is giving? So the hardness, are you seeing? The fade, the size, are you seeing? I'll determine where I want it to be blurred, where I want to be blurred. We have the radical blur. You have the radical blur. Don't worry, you will not see it very well here. Maybe I'll do it another video. We have the pixelized blur. Then we have the lens blur. We have the smart blur. Are you seeing? We have the motion blur. So there are a lot of different kind of blur. Then let's say for example now you want to blur an image. Sorry, not an image. You want to blur a background. Most times there are some background you will see. There are some things you will see. Maybe let me say this image now. You want to blur something like this now. This is what you need to do. Just go to your effects, follow same procedure, go to your blur, tap on your blur, then you blur it. There are some backgrounds you normally see like this. So please guys, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next tutorial.